Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. In today's video, we'll start with multiplication of fraction, and in that the first topic is multiplication of fraction by a whole number. This whole thing already you had studied in class 6th also. Again, just the same thing is going on. Whole number and a fraction, दोनों का multiplication करना है यहाँ पे. Now in exercise 2.2, as exercise 2.2, question number 1, 2 and question number 4, you have to do it in the textbook only. Rest everything in the notebook. So we'll start with question number 1. Which of the following drawings A to D show 2 into 1.1 upon 5? Now ये चार figures दिए and for whole number and fractions multiplication is being given. उसके बेस पे जैसे फर्स्ट वन है 2 इंटू 1/5, तो इसमें से कौन सा पिक्चर फिगर ड्राइंग रिप्रेजेंट करता है 2 इंटू 1/5? नाउ 2 इंटू 1/5 मीन्स एक ऐसा होगा जिसमें वन शेडेड पोर्शन होगा और टोटल 5 पार्ट्स होंगे. सो हियर 3 पार्ट्स, हियर 2 पार्ट्स, हियर 4, हियर 5 इज बीइंग देयर. और ये देखो शेडेड पार्ट है, दिस इज शेडेड पार्ट. सो 1/5 यहाँ पे शेडेड है 1/5. सो टोटल 2 ड्राइंग्स आर देयर विच इज हैविंग 1/5. सो द फर्स्ट आंसर इज डी. Okay, so you can write with pencil as D, as I am having pen, that's why I am not writing. So first answer is D. Same way second, 2 into 1/2. Now 1/2 means total 2 parts should be there. So here 3 are there, here 2 is being there. So 1 is shaded here, so it is 1/2. Here also 1 is shaded, meaning it is 1/2. So total ऐसे 2 है. So 2 1/2. The answer comes to B. Okay, now third one, 3 into 2/3. 3 into 2/3. So 2/3 means total 3 parts होने चाहिए. So 1, 2 and 3. उसमें से 2 shaded है. So 2/3, 2/3 and 2/3, total 3 are being there. So third answer is A. And the last one is 3 into 1/4. So which is remaining? C is remaining. So for fourth one it will be C. So D, B, A, C is the answer for the first one. Now same way second one is given. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show 3 into 1/5 is equal to 3/5. Now 1/5 means one part will be, total 5 parts should be there. Now we have to find out that which figure is having that thing with 5 parts. Here it is 3, here 1, 2, 3 and 4 are there, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this figure, see 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. So total comes to 3/5. So the first answer is C. Okay, second 2 into 1/3. So 1/3, here 3 parts are being there, उसमें से एक shaded है. Okay, and final जो आंसर आया that is 2/3. जैसे यहाँ पे कैसे आया था 3 are being shaded, so 3/5 is the answer which is coming. Here 1/3, 1/3 and total it comes to 2/3, and the final is 3 into 3/4. So total 4 parts are being there. Out of that 3 are being shaded, 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 are being shaded. So total the answer which is coming, that is 2 1/4. So 2 1/4 is being there. So second answer is B. Sorry, third is B and second is A. So this you have to write down in your textbook only. Now let us move to the question number 3, which you have to do it in your fair notebook. Now first one is 7 into 3/5. Now Before also I had told you that when one whole number is given and one fraction is being given, so 7 will be considered in numerator and nothing is being given, then it means 1 is in the denominator. So now you must have remembered that this thing you had already done. Now here what we can do in this type of sum, that if you cannot कैंसल किस तरह से करना है, इन क्रॉस फ्रैक्शन में हमेशा क्रॉस में मत कैंसिलेशन होता है, और न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर, एक न्यूमरेटर होना चाहिए, एक डिनोमिनेटर, न्यूमरेटर कभी कट नहीं होगा और डिनोमिनेटर भी कभी कट नहीं होगा, जो कट होगा दैट विल बी न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. Now as it is given in the question that multiply and reduce to the lowest form and convert it into mixed fraction. So here we cannot cancel anything. So what we will do, just multiply 7 3s is 21.5, convert it into mixed fraction. So it will be 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. Now you know how to convert it into mixed fraction. 21 by 5, so 5 4s are 20, so 1. The quotient will become your whole number, remainder will be numerator and denominator will remain same, it will never change. Okay, तो जहाँ पे हो सकता है वहाँ पे करना है कैंसिल, अदरवाइज whatever answer you are getting, if it is improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. Same way, let us see second one. 4 into 1 upon 3, so again here we cannot cancel anything, so what we have to do, just simply multiply 4 1s are 4 upon 3, and when you will convert it into mixed fraction, so 3 1s are is 3 plus 1 it is 4. Okay, very simple, everything you know. Now question number 3 4 5 you do it by yourself. Sixth one I am showing because their cancellation is taking place. Now 5 upon 2 into 6. So what we will do, 5 upon 2 into 6, so we can cancel, देखो क्रॉस में cancel हो रहा है, one is denominator and another one is numerator, so 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are is 6, so our final answer is 5 into 3 15. So now here no need to convert it into mixed fraction because we cannot, it is a whole number, so we cannot convert it into mixed fraction. Then seventh one, eighth one again I am doing, so rest which I am not doing, that you have to do it by yourself. Okay, the method is same. 20 into 4 upon 5, so 5 1s are and 5 4s are, and it is 4 4s are is 16 is the final answer. So this was question number 3. 4 sums I had done out of 10, remaining 6 you have to do it. The method is same. याद क्या रखना है, कैंसिलेशन या तो न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर ऊपर नीचे होगा, नहीं तो क्रॉस में होगा. ऊपर ऊपर कभी कैंसिल नहीं होगा, नीचे नीचे कभी कैंसिल नहीं होगा फ्रैक्शन में, खास याद रखना है. Now the next question is शेड. ये आपको शेड करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेंसिल. दैट 1 upon 2 ऑफ द सर्कल इन अ बॉक्स ए, 1 upon 2 आंसर आना चाहिए. तो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू कैन डू, तो फर्स्ट यू काउंट हाउ मेनी सर्कल्स आर देयर, सो 3, so 1 2 3 4, 4 3s are total 12 are being there, total 12 circles are being there. I am doing the rough work here to show you. टोटल 12 है सर्कल, हमें नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में क्या चाहिए 2, सो 12 है और 2 चाहिए डिनोमिनेटर में, तो 12 को 6 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा ना, तब जाके वो 2 जार होगा, 6 2 जार इज 12, और ऊपर आंसर क्या आना चाहिए 1, सो हियर इट विल कम एज 6 only. So when you will cancel 6 1s are and 6 2s are, so you will get the answer as 1 upon 2. and total 12 circles are being there. Out of that, from that you want the answer as 1/2. So total circle 12 है, तो 12 का 2 कैसे होगा? जब उसको 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, जब नीचे 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ऊपर भी 6 से ही डिवाइड होना चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट वहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? 6. देन ओनली इट विल बी 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So it means you have to shade here 6 circles. आपको 6 सर्कल को shade करना पड़ेगा and then you will get the answer as 1/2. Same way second one, 2/3 of the triangle in box B, 3. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now we are having 9 total triangle. Out of that आंसर में हमें नीचे 3 चाहिए. इट मीन्स 3 के टेबल में 9 कब आता है? 3 3 मीन्स इसको 3 से कट कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर भी 3 से ही कट करना है. ओके, ऊपर भी क्या करना पड़ेगा? 3 से ही कट करना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर दैट, और आंसर क्या चाहिए? 2 चाहिए. तो ऊपर 3 से कट करके आंसर 2 आना चाहिए. मीन्स 3 2s are कितना होना चाहिए? 6 होगा, तब जाके 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Means again here you have to shade 6 triangles. 6 triangle को shade करना. कोई भी 6 triangle you can take. Understood students? टोटल 9 triangles है. आंसर में आना चाहिए 2/3. तो 9 है तो वो 3 कैसे होगा? मीन्स जब उसको 3 से डिवाइड करोगे तब आंसर आएगा 3. तो ऊपर भी 3 से ही डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, बट आंसर हमें ऊपर 2 चाहिए. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 3 2s are 6. देन यू विल गेट द आंसर एज 2/3. देन थर्ड वन, 3/5 of the square in box. Now total 1 2 3 4 5 5 3s are total 15 are being there. 15 squares are being there. और बाद में वो कितना हो जाता है? 5. मीन्स इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय 3. तो ऊपर भी 3 से डिवाइड करके आंसर 3 ही आना चाहिए. ठीक, डिवाइड करना है 15 को 3 से, तब 5 है. मीन्स ऊपर भी 3 से ही डिवाइड करके आंसर आना चाहिए 3. So it means it should be 9. तो 9 को 3 से डिवाइड करोगे, when you will cancel 3 3s are and 3 5s are, and you will get the answer as 3/5. So here you have to shade 9 squares. 9 squares को आपको shade करना पड़ेगा in this. Here 9 squares, here 6 triangle, and here 6 circles. Okay, now question number 6. Just I will explain you, rest you have to do it by yourself. Question number 6, as it is being given that you have to find 1/2 of, first one is given 24. So we'll go with first one. This 1/2 student is common for both the questions. Okay, ये दोनों में common है 1/2. So 1/2 of 24 of means what? Multiplication. So it will be 1/2 into 24. So which will be cancelled. 2 1s are and 2 12s are. So the answer will come 12. Same way in that second one is also given 1/2 of, now we have to take 46. So that will be 1/2 into 46, which will be 2 1s are and 2 23s are, and the answer will come 23. So this is question number 5. In that first one I had already explained, and rest you can do it by yourself. So remaining sums of question number 3 and question number 5 you have to do it in the homework. So in this video this much only. We'll continue with the exercise in the next video. So till then, thank you and take care.